Look over there. There's Bobby. There's Vince.
Terrible angle.
Oh, terrible angle for me. Down here, show my chin. Be off like this. So then we got Jennifer, Robert, and Steve. And then Cotty is off doing something. So we got Jeeps over there. But someone just messaged me. So we
trim your nose hairs.
Oh, I trim my nose hair. You see up them?
Brush that beard, mate.
Yeah, brush the beard. So we're actually on the back side of my trailer, whichever way we look, because it is so hot on the other side of the trailer, even with the awning. So Dawn asked who's gonna wear the pink tutu. So we haven't gotten that far yet today. It's kind of been a blur. Most likely gonna be Cotty. There's like a 95% chance Cotty, 5% chance me, and that's because I'll take my pickup truck out there instead of my Jeep. So, thank you, Robert. Thank you. Robert said I'm going to be wearing the pink tutu. Oh, you're betting on Bobby's going to be wearing the pink tutu? It's actually in the trailer. I could go grab it. It lights up, and it came with.
I was never.
It came with rose-colored, heart-shaped glasses. They were like thrown into the box.
Not tiara.
So not a tiara. We could probably go find a tiara though. So, but yeah, I don't know where Cuddy is. So we're gonna. Well, here I just passed around. Bobby, introduce yourself and what you drive.
Hi, I'm Bobby Corlatin, and I drive a 2010 two-door stretch JK 6 inches. What else?
It has an Atlas.
Oh, yeah, I guess we're running stickies, Atlas 4-speed, custom cage, of course TNT suspension all the way around. Yeah, and armor, of course. So, next person.
Hello, everyone. It's Robert Beck, 2016 Jeep JK, two-door, stretched to 8 inches, sitting on tons and made by Dynatrack Pro Rock XD60s on 40-inch Mickey Thompson stickies. No Atlas, just a regular Rubicon 4-to-1 transfer case, 538 gears. No Atlas yet. Supercharged with a party pulley on it. Give it a little little boost here and there. Other than that, suspension is a smorgasbord of long arms with 12-inch travel coilovers tuned by AccuTune. I'm gonna pass it off to Steve now.
Hola, ¿qué pasa? I have an 85 CJ7. I have to look at it to remember what I have on that damn thing. Has a Chevy small block 350 with 305 heads, Atlas 2 transfer case. Everything underneath is TNT. It has a 3-link front, 4-link rear, anti-rock rear, 12-inch Kings in the front, TNT trusses, 10-inch Kings in the back. Fenders that I bent last weekend doing a little bit of car crawling, but it's all right. 40-inch Patagonias, but I need new tires, so if anyone has any, I'm here to hook you up. So anyway, yeah, that's what I'm running.
Hello, Vince Lucas. I have a 99 Jeep TJ currently sitting on jack stands in my garage, but soon to be completely TNT suspension and TNT body armor. I have ran the TNT 6-inch flare body armor in the past and decided to just go full 1 ton and really set it up this time. So that's where I'm at right now.
All right, so it's back to me. So it's back to me. So Vince is from West Virginia. Bobby's from Indiana, near Indianapolis. Robert and Jen are from Texas. What part of Texas?
Near Dallas.
Near Dallas. And then Steve's from Cheyenne, and I'm from Indiana. Brad said rocking the TJ. Bobby, you have a 3.8?
Yeah, I told him.
Yeah. So we might as well walk to them. It might get a little bright, but so this one, Robert and Jennifer's. I don't know how good the visual is. So 8-inch Guardian sliders and corners, soon to be suspension. And then we got Steve's. You guys have seen Steve's. So we did the full custom suspension, front fenders, coilovers, and then Steve did Oh yeah, you did get that. Steve did a full custom paint job on it. So, and then Bobby's. I don't know how that visual looks for you guys, but yeah, probably better on this side. So Bobby's, you guys seen a lot of Bobby's. So Sticky Maxxis, 6-inch stretched armor, sliders, suspension, front Guardian bumper, has the most clearance in the industry. Tucks the winch under the grill. And then you have mine, nothing special, just a random TJ. So, I don't know, is there really anything else? I have a Guardian bumper right here that goes to a customer here, and my new front drive shaft from Tom Woods because I bent mine. Oh, yeah, pink tutu. Yeah, so that was a bet between me and Cotty a couple weeks ago about there's a spot on a trail. The trail is called Jacob here in South Dakota, and the last obstacle, there's a right line and a left line. And Cotty says he keeps getting stuck on the left line, and I've done the left line numerous amounts of times. So Cotty, and he's not here to defend himself, so we'll just keep talking. I get a phone call for that. We'll just keep talking about it. So Cotty gets stuck basically, and then my Jeep would just go right through. So if I did get stuck, I had to wear a pink tutu. But if I didn't get stuck, Cotty has to wear a pink tutu. And it lights up. And it's all sparkly and everything. I have to take it back home with me because my niece Lola wants it after we're done with it. So it's not something I can give away.
We will post pics at the end of the week.
Yeah, we'll post pics at the end of the week. So, but
Place your bets now.
yeah, place your bets. Who do you think's gonna have to wear the tutu? But so we're at, I don't know what else to talk about. You guys have stuff to talk about?
No, but Jessica said y'all need to go live for the obstacle.
Oh, we all need to go live. Oh, Wayne's here as well. Wayne's actually here. I don't know where he's at, but I saw Wayne's Jeep earlier. So he's probably staying in one of the cabins. Yeah, he waved. So the obstacle, we may get signal. Who knows? Typically in the Black Hills here, we don't have signal at all anywhere. We can video and we'll put it up. We're also going to be wearing pink helmet. Oh, do we need to make a bet? They're sitting right across from me laughing and posting stuff. So, oh, Jake, you just need to leave. So no one wants your comments. You drive a Toyota. That's worse than a pink tutu. So I want to see you come up here and do these obstacles. But I don't know. I guess that was 10 minutes. I really don't have anything else. Anyone else have anything else?
No, just looking forward to my first time here. It's going to be exciting.
No, here, say that.
Yeah. Just looking forward to my first time here. It's going to be exciting, and hopefully everything goes smooth and I don't break anything. And for those that have never been out here, I think you should definitely make it a point to do so. Anyone else?
Yeah, no.
Anyone else?
So my favorite trail out here is Kong, and Bobby and Vince have never been here, so they don't really have a favorite trail. But you guys have. So what's your favorite trail?
Oh gosh, we've only just been the once, so
Yeah.
Calamity was my favorite so far.
Yeah. Steve?
Is that John? What's that?
Al John's?
Al John's.
Al John's.
Yeah, loved
Yeah.
it. Never been able to finish it out here though. I've always had to leave early for one reason or another, whether my vehicle broke down or family emergencies.
Last year was a motor issue, wasn't it?
Last year was a Jeep issue.
Oh, Jeep issue. Yeah.
The whole thing.
So Bob and Mary are supposed to be here tomorrow. Bob's just bringing Yeller. Hopefully we can get T-Rex or I-Rex and Bob's TJ done. And that's about it. So if you guys see us or want to come to the Black Hills next year, 605 Rockfest is what it's called. Typically it's around the last week of June. This year it was just a little bit early, but typically it's around the last week of June. And
compared to like Moab and stuff like that,
So
Smaller groups. That's nice. So if you've been wheeling in a lot of different places, like whether you go to Easter Jeep Safari or Trail Hero or wherever, Black Hills is very unique, has a lot of beautiful scenery for one, but for two, the price out here and what it costs to wheel is second to none. It's extremely inexpensive. Good time. We get fed the last last 2 nights, excuse me. See, I haven't been a whole week here, so that's my point. I keep leaving and not getting the food, but no, it's a great time. The trails are amazing. The groups are extremely small, so you're not getting stuck out all day. Normally, we're off the trails if there's no carnage around 1, and then you have the rest of the afternoon to relax, chill. Go gambling if you want, or fix your Jeep.
So like compare Moab to here.
Moab's wide open where you can see crap. Here it's really tight and technical,
And the
rocks move here. Yeah,
slick rock.
it's slick rock. It's very slick. What's that one? I don't even think I've even on Captain Crunch with a big granite.
Oh, none of us are doing Captain. They got washed this year
Okay.
from the snow. So we'll do Got Milk and part of Fruity Pebbles. But other than that, no one's doing. Jen has the list.
There's a lot of trails though, and most of them that I know of have a lot of nice bypasses too, where people can come out, watch, and enjoy it also.
That's a big boy trail.
What is that? Ouch.
Wow. I'm gonna talk to Buddy.
Oh well, that. So, and it's way different than back east. There's a little bit of mud sometimes just when it rains, but it's way different than back east. And the trail, we have motorcycles going by. The whole trail is the obstacle essentially. It's not like you're just going from obstacle to obstacle to obstacle. The whole trail is the obstacle. Yeah, you're in it. You're in it all day. So there's like the cereal bowls that are trails. There's Hell Johns. There's T-Back and Bikini, which they did on Ultimate Adventure a few years ago. So there's all these different types of trails. But no one else is commenting. I think we're going to sign off here. And if you want to do this next year, you can call us or you can call Cotty or talk to Cotty. It's 605 Jeepers is the club, or 605 Jeeps. And on Facebook as well, it's that as well. So, and you can contact them and they can get you all signed up and ready to go. So, Gary, yeah, we'll have a blast, Gary. And then Jessica, I'm still in Dana 44s and 37s. Absolutely is doable. There's all different types of trails. The first year I came out here, I'd never really done rock crawling, so it was my first year working for Bob and Mary. And essentially, what are you gonna? Do you know her?
Yeah.
Okay.
She's our godchild.
Oh, I gotcha. So yes, you can come out here. You just don't drive like Robert, who breaks Dana 60s. Takes a lot of skill. Yeah. So yeah, you'll be fine. The first year I came out here, it was a 44 rear, 30 front on 33s, and I got shoved. They're like, "Oh, you're from TNT here. You can do all these trails with Bob." And I'm like, "I've never done rock crawling before in my life." And Mary called me. I was a baby back then. Yep. So it was a lot of fun. Let's see. That year I bent my tie rod, and I dented or like bent in my wheel. And Robert's typing something right now that's probably just gonna be. Oh no, he's not. No, I don't believe you whatsoever. Robert, my mentor.
I'm not laughing.
Oh, okay. D60s in your rear future. Yeah, you just lose ground clearance. You gotta go to 40s. That's the way you match ground clearance. 40s with 60s, and you get that ground clearance back.
There goes the
The-
smack talk.
So you can smack talk right back. I'll turn it right to you.
You have a set of 37s I can borrow for this week, just so I can prove you wrong.
We can just switch.
Why would I want to give you my 40s?
Well, here's the thing: Treps are better than Mickey's, so it's like evens itself out. It's all his fault. What's all your fault?
Everything.
Probably everything.
Everything. Yeah. So yeah, we're gonna have to do it. Well, Gary, your Gladiator doesn't really fit in South Dakota, so 4-door JKs don't fit very well in South Dakota. Yep. Was it 4-door J? Yep. Yeah, and it's tight. It's real tight.
Jessica's waiting on the double triangulated and the
Oh,
3-link to be done so that she can put it in her stretched.
does she have a 2-door?
Two-door with the
Two-door.
Guardian sliders and the corner armor and the
Oh,
whole 9
okay.
yards.
Oh, nice.
So
Nice. Yeah, we got to get it done. It's going on Bobby's too.
gotta hurry, right? What's taking Tanner so long?
Let's taking Tanner. It's always Tanner's fault. It's always my fault.
Got the squirrel mentality.
Y'all go off any sweet jumps yet? I did jump mine at Badlands just because, but other than that, no. Jumped yours in Moab. Yep, Gary, 2-door is the best way to go out here. Absolutely the best way to go.
Two-door for life.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep. Yep.
They make other Jeeps other than 2-doors? Not Jeep. Other minivans. I call them school buses.
But yeah, that's true. Out here they are. Mary asked how this tutu thing's going down. Wow, I look like an old person. I was zooming into. No offense to any of you guys. So we haven't figured it out yet, but someone by the end of the week will be wearing a tutu. Most likely Cotty.
I don't know if they told you you can't wear shorts either.
With the tutu?
Yeah.
The no tutu thing. No one wants to see that.
There's more kids here than adults this time, so.
Yeah, there are a lot of kids here.
Well,
So-
we have a adult trail run.
I have a thong. You want to put it on?
I don't know why you brought that, but Gary put that emoji.
Always do you, boo, right?
Yeah.
I'm happy.
I mean, he is too. I'm just saying.
Yeah. Yeah, Jessica, you guys should have came. I know you got to fix your Jeep, but you guys should have came. You still have the white one. You could have come up here and bombed around on the back roads. Yeah. Yep. So, Mary said that's a bad visual. So, your visual.
Oh my gosh.
So, but all right. Well, now we're actually going to sign off, and we'll talk to you guys later, and we'll release some videos of the week, and go from there. Have a good night.